Hello and welcome to Fund My Cause. This is one of the greatest crowdfunding projects that I've ever been a part of, and this thing is helping people to get ahead, guys, to get their businesses started or to just get some extra cash into the household. But Fund My Cause is definitely a way to help you financially. Now, for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be presenting this to you and, go somewhere where it's quiet, where you can hear this and take in this great information so you can get started and getting money in today. So, like I said before, welcome to Fund My Cause. Fund My Cause, powered by the Kindred Hearts platform, is a powerful two-phase funding project within a private community. Our members are helping each other by funding each other's cause. So whatever your venture is or whatever you need money for, the team members here are working together to help you to get that. Super exciting. Now, what Fund My Cause is? It is people helping people. It's a life-changing gifting project. It's a system linked to a 13-year-old company. Is financial freedom for all. That is amazing because a lot of us looking for financial freedom right now, and at Fund My Cause you can find it. What Fund My Cause is not. This is not an MLM. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor is this a Ponzi scheme. Who can participate in Fund My Cause? Anyone 18 years or older. People in need of funds for their cause. That is what's most important, guys. It could be money for a new or existing business venture or just money to help you to pay the bills. People who love to share great opportunities with others. And lastly, people who would like to help others to succeed. I hope that's you because we would definitely like to help you to succeed. Now, questions and answers. Really quickly, let's knock this portion out so you guys can sort of get a good idea about what it is that we're doing to help each other financially. How much does it cost to join Fund My Cause? Well, you only need to make a one-time $25 donation to a member's cause, and we direct you to that member. You send that member $25. You'll be placed on the platform. From there, you accelerate up until you're the one that's receiving. Do we have to help others? Absolutely, because that's what it's all about. People helping people. Everyone is responsible for sharing this great opportunity with two other people. That's all we ask. Two people that would love to get a little help right now is not hard to find. And this is mandatory. You must do this because we don't want you just coming over here, sitting here collecting. We want everybody to help each other. That way it's fair to all. How much can a member receive in contributions? Everyone receives $200 in gifts in phase number 1. You come in with $25, you're going to receive 8 payments of $25 for a total of $200 in gifts, right? And you return down to that board dropping 25 on 2 spots. That means you're going to give up 50 of that $200. That will leave you $150. That's super exciting because now you're going to double up what it is that you're going to be getting paid, because at the first section you dropped 25 and you collected 200. Now you just dropped 2 25s down there for a total of 50, which means that you have 2 spots right now that's going to be receiving $200. That is exciting, guys. That's something super simple, man, and you're going to start making some money quickly doing that. Now, that member would then, after they have their 2 positions on that $25 board, they would then take 100 from the remaining 150 and they would open up their $100 spot. So now you have your 2 $25 spots running and you just opened up a $100 spot. Now that tells you right there, guys, you're getting ready to do some collecting, right? That member would then enter phase 2 for $100, securing 1 freshman position, banking the remaining $50. So now, after everything is done, said and done, you've collected $200, you've taken 150 of that and set yourself up on 3 boards. You have 2 $25 boards and 1 $100 board. Are you seeing the money getting ready to come in? Because it's definitely on the way. They would then proceed on to phase 2, right? Board reaching that senior position. When you become a senior over there, you're going to collect 8 $100 donations. Wow. So now you got 2 boards that's getting $25 donations sent up to it, right? To these 2 boards. That's a total of $200 on each board. Then you have 1 board here that's getting ready to get you $800. Guys, now what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to duplicate that same process. Once you have that $800, you're going to drop 2 positions down on the $100 board. That's amazing, right? Drop that down on that board, and that's going to leave you with $600 of spendable money. That is amazing. Upon receiving $800 in donation, they would re-enter on that board, securing 2 new freshman positions for $100 each, leaving $600 in your bank account. Not bad, right? And plus, remember now, you have those two boards running over there on the $25 side that's getting ready to pay. Now you have two boards running over here that's getting ready to pay $800 each. Guys, this thing is amazing. Let's look at our chart here so you can get a better idea of what it is we're doing. So you could jump in here with that one-time $25 and start receiving these donations. This is amazing. Now, everyone starts at the freshman position. Everyone starts at the freshman's position by donating $25 right here. Now, what happens is we have two sides, the left side, the right side. Now, the left side does not depend upon the right side to move, nor does the right side depend upon the left side to move. Each side moves independently. So once the left side has 4 people on it, they will become at that point sophomores. Once the right side has 4 people up on, on it, they're going to become sophomores. Super simple, right? So what happens is this. You come in for 25. Now, people are falling in next to you because people are joining, right? So when your side is filled with 4 people, you will go up to a sophomore. At the point that you become a sophomore, and only at that point, will you drop your 2 people up under you. So when you're a freshman, you do not drop 2 people up under yourself. You have to wait until you become a sophomore, because when you're a freshman, there's no place down here to drop anybody. But as a sophomore, you're going to drop your 2 people. Now, once you drop your 2 people, let's say that these are your 2 people here. When you drop your 2 people and you go up to that junior position, you become a junior at that point, and the 2 people you brought in are now sophomores, right? They're now sophomores. When they drop their 2 people up under them, you will accelerate up into the senior position. Now that you're a senior, you're going to be receiving 8 payments. Every new freshman that comes in at that point is sending 8 payments to you, right? They're going to send you $25 each for a total of 8 times that 25 for a total of $200. Now, as that senior, once you receive that $200, you're going to take 50 of that and secure 2 new positions. This is you securing 2 new $25 positions, right? So that means these 2 positions are going to go up, and they're going to also be receiving $200 each. But you're going to take the $100 and go into your phase number 2. So this is you dropping down on phase number 2 for $100. See that? Very simple. You're going to duplicate the same mission. You're going to go up to the top, right? Go up here to this sophomore position. And then what's going to happen is when the 2 people drop up under you, and more than likely, it'll be the 2 people that you brought in, because everybody is accelerating and following each other. You see that? You never have to bring in anybody else after you bring in 2, because everybody is following, right? So what happens is they're going to jump in here and they're going to fall down up under you. You're going to accelerate up to the junior position. From the junior position, when your 2 people drop their 2 up under them, which is going to normally come from up here at the top, so no one's having to bring in anybody else, then you're going to accelerate to that senior position. Once a senior, the same thing is going to happen. When those 8 payments come to you, that's going to be a total of $800. Well, $400 coming from the left, $400 coming from the right, for a total of $800. Once you receive the $800, you're going to duplicate the same thing that you did on your $25 board. You're going to drop down with 2 $100 sections. That means you're going to buy 2 $100 freshman positions, which now means that you're going to collect $800 twice. Right? Amazing, guys. Do you see what's happening? This thing is amazing, and you're going to start receiving donations because why? People see this as a great opportunity, and they will jump in here for $25, guys. $25 one time to start. You never have to put in anything else, and everything from there becomes total profit, targeted toward your venture or your cause. We ask that everybody, if you're using Cash App, when someone sends you the donation, make sure that they itemize what that $25 or that $100 is for. If it's you collecting for your bills, you want them to say that your cause is to pay bills, right? A donation received for bills. If they're going to be sending you $25 for your business, we wanted to indicate that. $25 for a business startup, or $25 for your business. That way you have that documented over on your Cash App. If it's in Bitcoin, the same thing. Make sure that they document it so you know what those payments came in for. Guys, this thing is amazing. Super simple. $25 one time gets you into Fund My Cause. From there, you're going to start receiving donations from members that's coming in. Everybody's responsible for bringing in 2. We want to make that 100% clear so you're not just sitting here wondering what is going on. And make sure that when you get your 2, that your 2 understand that they must also bring in 2 for this to succeed. We must all work together. Everybody working together will make this thing happen. So So right now, guys, I'm welcoming you in advance to fund my cause. This is your boy KR, super excited as always to be able to bring you more great content, and I look forward to working with you at FMC. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.